5 detox juices recipes help to lose weight fast. Here are some of the most popular juice recipes for weight loss. We found to give you some ideas for a homemade juice cleanse. Always feel free to experiment with new ingredients and you will never be bored with detox juice. Always use organic ingredients whenever possible to reduce the risk of toxins. Each recipe makes 2 servings. Number 1. The ultimate green detox juice. This delicious green detox juice recipe is one of the most popular recipes available. It has the perfect balance of fruits and vegetables. It makes a perfect blend for detoxing your body after the holidays or a party. Apples are full of nutrition. In addition to being a good source of vitamin C, apples also contain polyphenols, which can have numerous health benefits. Add or subtract the apple servings to make it more or less sweet according to your taste. Ingredients: 2 green apples cut in half, 3 stalks celery, no leaves, 1 cucumber, 8 leaves kale, 1/2 lemon peeled, 1 piece fresh ginger, sprig of mint. Number 2. Tropical carrot apple juice. This is a really delicious drink and is full of beneficial nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. They are also an excellent source of B vitamins, vitamin K, and potassium. The carrot juice is pleasantly sweet and pairs well with the tartness of the apples. When buying apples, choose firm ones as they will produce a clearer juice. Ingredients: 1 large apple quartered, 1/4 can pineapple chunks, 2 large carrots, 2 piece fresh ginger. Number 3. Green spinach lemonade. This popular detox drink gives you tons of energy and is really good for you too. You may want to add a little honey if you like it sweeter, but I would taste it first. Kale is very high in nutrients and very low in calories, which makes it one of the most nutrient-dense food available. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1 stalk celery, 4 leaves kale, 1 piece ginger, 2 apples, 1 lemon. Number 4. Easy Start Detox Juice. This makes a good beginner detox juice recipe for those just starting out with juicing thanks to its simple ingredients and delicious flavors that aren't overwhelming. Carrots have a lot of health benefits. They are a good ingredient when juicing for weight loss and have been linked to lower cholesterol level and improved eye health. Ingredients: 2 medium apples, 3 medium carrots, 4 celery stalks. Number 5. Green ginger juice. This is my go-to recipe, especially when I am having tummy issues. The taste is amazing and it's full of nutrients thanks to the variety of ingredients. Ginger is a wonderful spice. Just 1 or half grams of ginger can help prevent various types of nausea like seasickness, chemotherapy nausea, nausea after surgery, and morning sickness. Ingredients: 3 medium apples, 2 stalks celery, 1 cup spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 piece ginger root, 1 lime. So, do you know any other effective juices recipes that could be help any other person to weight loss fast naturally? Let's know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Click subscribe to always stay.